morning. If you're wondering why am I in the kitchen, it's because today I'll be cooking some simple meals. I'll be doing 3 meals by the fact. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Right? I've been doing 3 simple meals, and you're wondering why I want to do simple meals and why I plan to cook when I can't cook. Well, I've been watching lots of YouTubers do cooking, and every now and then I do some form of food or talk about food that I eat in my vlogs. So I decided why not. And since I was inspired by lots of outdoor cooking, I'm not outdoor though, and person showing their food like soy and whatever is one of my person that I'm inspired by, because he does lots of outdoor cooking and the food looks cute. And since I'm into food photography, and I put food on my Instagram all the time, on my stories, because I like how food looks, especially in photos, I decided why not today? Why not show you guys some simple food? And what I mean, my food session is gonna call Lazy Gyal Cooking. If you're lazy like me, you don't really like to cook, but you like looking at food, this is and you like to eat, this is gonna be very simple. Once you can boil water, you can definitely do this. Alright? So the first food I'm going to prepare, or my breakfast that I'm going to prepare, I'm gonna check what's in the fridge first. Oh, and every food that I plan to do of food photography images, the image will be there, and then my image will be of the food that I prepare will be there, so you guys can guess. Alright. So we have eggs, and we have cup soup. I said we got eggs for the breakfast. Yeah. So that's basically that we have. Alright. So I think I'm gonna make my tea first, and then I'll decide what to make to eat after that. Okay, so everyone, I just finished making the tea. I'm gonna show a photo of the tea that I made. I decided to go with cup soup because baby ate 1 cup soup, and cup soup seems way simple. way easy. So all you need to do is boil water. And these are cup noodles, LA Original from 1971, and they're instant noodles, so it's very easy to do. Put on the water, take a matches. What is that for? And you cover the stove. And it is very simple as that. So breakfast 1 complete. Alright, so what we're going to do now is wait for the water to boil, then I'll show you the photo of the food or the video of the food. Yep, so cue to that. banana. As I'm telling you, whatever you have at home, what I'm about to tell you, whatever you have at home is what you use to eat. If you're lazy, whatever you have, you use it to make your lunch. Sure. Alright? So let's start. So I'm going to basically, I'm going to cut up the banana now. Okay, so if you're like me and you don't like eating too much cheese because it gives you belly ache, this is a good way how to do it too as well. After you eat your food or while you're eating your food, you need something to drink. Alright, so every lazy girl should have lime juice and syrup. So today, what I'm going to show you guys is how to make the perfect lime juice syrup combination. Okay, so what you need, okay, guys, see me clearly. A little bit of lime. You don't want it too sour. And some syrup. And because of diabetes and health issues, you don't want your syrup to be too sweet. Then, ice cold water. Exactly like that. Let me taste it first. Okay. And always remember to wash your hands and anything that you use, wash it too as well. When you mix it, tastes good.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much.
The chicken for her since I'm doing a cooking vlog. But I'm not doing a cooking vlog. I'm trying to explain to her that I'm doing a lazy girl cooking or lazy vlog cooking. How to survive when you're lazy. But anyway, you don't believe me, so that don't make no sense. So I'm trying to look at the chicken for her. Because she's gonna go baby. Alright, people. So, I'm trying to help out. Alright, so the chicken I'll go now. People, I'm about to end the vlog here. I didn't get to do 3 meals today because my mother is in the kitchen and she don't want me in the kitchen. Anyway, so I didn't get to do 3 meals today, but I want to tell you guys the end of the vlog right here. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this vlog. comment below and let me know which one of my lazy girl cooking food is your favorite. Alright, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.